No, Caitlin, look into the camera and say, I'm insane, and I'm going to go jump off the stool.
Ow!
Oh. I'm still alive, but give me another shot.
Ow!
Go ahead, go jump again. Go ahead, go jump again. I know you're infatuated with seeing yourself. Go ahead. All done, Caitlin.